Okay guys, so ito na tayo sa Belmont Hotel provided by the company. So, punta tayo sa room sa 6th floor. Okay. Dito na tayo. 6th floor. Yung number 60, 60. Twenty-one, 22, 23, 24, 25. So ito yung room ko, 6, 25. Kaya natin po open. Okay. Oh my god, sorry. Sorry about that. Okay. I have a Coco Crunch bag also, which is my sleeper. Okay. So, okay guys, nandito na tayo sa room. Wait lang. Yung yan, nilaw na. Dilim eh. Yung oh, it's me. Wait, check na natin yung room. So okay, yan yung room. Dalawang bed, pero sabi ng information, ako lang daw dito mag-isa. So okay. Matay na. Remove this mask. Hope walang COVID dito sa... Hello guys, good morning. It's day 2 of my hotel quarantine here at Belmont Hotel. And yeah, my room is a bit messy because yeah, I'm going to fix it later when the company bag arrives. That is the winter jacket. This is also a winter jacket. I'm going to put it into another bag, my company bag, so that my luggage will not that full. And yeah, someone ring the bell, the doorbell. So I think it's the food. Oh, I forgot to lock the door. But anyway, we have the package. Yes, we have the package, guys. We have the package. Oh. Yeah, should have the door. Okay guys, so this is the package. This is my breakfast. That is my breakfast. So I don't know what it is breakfast for today, but I know this is my breakfast. Okay, so this is my setup. It's a little bit messy. Yeah guys, I forgot to do a room tour when I arrive here. I continue it later on. Guys, so right now I'm doing is this coronavirus form sheet, case investigation form, coronavirus disease, Philippine Integrated Disease Surveillance and Response form. This is for my second swab test. Okay. So I'm going to finish it out right now. Then later on, we will go to Manila, have a swab test. Okay. See you later, guys. So a while ago, I just did my second swab test for COVID-19, and it was only a nasopharyngeal test, and it hurts. It is not the same as what I felt during my first swab test at St. Luke's Medical Center PGC, where I have nasopharyngeal and oropharyngeal test. And I'll be having my third and final test on the 16th of August. It will be on Sunday, and it is to comply the airline requirement that the PCR test should be valid within 72 hours before departure, and a day before departure I should undergo a rapid testing. So that's it. So see you on my third and final swab test. See ya. Alright guys, so today is Sunday 16th of August, and today we are already 1 week here at the hotel, and today also we are scheduled to undergo our third and final swab test. So hoping the result will be okay, same as what my two previous swab tests, which is all negative to COVID-19. So see you guys later, and chill. Okay, pababa na tayo sa elevator at dala natin yung form. Sobrang lalim. So I'm going to tell you what happened a while ago. So a while ago, I did my third and final swab test for COVID-19, and where I did both nasopharyngeal and oropharyngeal tests. So it's the same on my first swab test at St. Luke's Medical Center, where I also did the nasopharyngeal and the oropharyngeal test. But the difference between the two is that, or even my two previous nasopharyngeal tests, is that this test is a little bit deep. So the swab goes a little bit deeper on my nose, and I feel about in my throat.
but it doesn't hurt compared to my second swab because of the positioning of my head. So my second swab is almost like this, and they took a sample, so I think that's the main reason why it hurt a lot. So thankful that this third and final, I don't feel discomfort that much compared to my second. But I'm very thankful on my first and second swab result because they are both negative. Okay, they are both negative. Hoping this third swab test, third and final swab, the result will be also negative. And also, as what I told you a while ago, that I will also undergo a rapid test before a day before the flight. So the rapid test will be the basis of the company whether I am allowed to continue my flight or I will be staying here. So hoping that all my tests for COVID-19 will be negative.